Okay, so I just have to show you this this awesome, they sent this to us so we could show it to you. It's by Nil-Tech, and this is the box it was in. But it's this really nice case with a fabulous, fabulous art set here. You've got all the different colored pencils there. You got some metallics and some, you got over here, you got some charcoal pencils and pastels and oh, just the sketching pencil, and then it comes with a sketch pad, and there's a pencil sharpener right there and a white eraser and just so much stuff. There's a little tiny little paintbrush there, and oh, can't you just imagine how exciting and fun this would be for your friend or your kid that is like super into artwork and stuff? Like, this would just unleash their creativity like crazy, because it's just like so easy and portable, and it's got such a wide variety, so you can see from H to B there. And then you got the 3 charcoal pencils there. You got your soft, your medium, and let's turn that way so you can see hard. And just look at all this really cool stuff and little sketch pad. But what's really cool is that online they have tutorials. So like if you're just a beginner, you're brand new and you want to learn some skills and techniques, you just go online and they have these tutorials for you to learn how to do a lot of this sketching and artwork and stuff like that. So cool. Really fabulous set. This would make a great gift.